Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to create shortcut on Snapchat. Before moving on with tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss all the videos. By creating shortcut on Snapchat, it will make us easier to send snap to everyone at once. First, tap on Snapchat. Then click a picture or video by tapping on circle. You can also choose a picture or video from your previous clicked pictures. Then click on next at lower right section. Then tap on create shortcut or plus sign on top. Then choose new shortcut. Now add your friends you want to create shortcut with. Then choose a specific emoji at top. Moving forward, tap on create shortcut. With that, you will be successfully creating a new shortcut through which you can send a snap to everyone you have selected. When sending in a snap, you can tap on the specific emoji to send the snap to everyone you selected at once. This is how we can successfully create a shortcut at Snapchat. If this video was helpful, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.